What's up, chat? Happy Friday stream. Oops. Almost forgot to turn on my camera here. Hold on. Can't do my stream without my glasses. Now we're rolling. Welcome to the stream set. Finally, you didn't miss the intro today. It's a Friday where we having just Bitcoin bouncing in between 99K and 100K. Stock market is now closed, so no more potentially sellers trying to detain crypto or basically avoid BTC from hitting 100K. We'll see if we actually get 100K stream today, chat. We're having 2 more hours for the daily close, a little bit less. And yeah, this is your local price action. This is the 1 minute chart on BTC here. The closest you got to 100K was 99.8K, just 140 bucks shy from the 100K basically landmark that I hopefully will be reaching today. But let's see the high time frame for a little bit. Oh my god, this looks just insane. So for anyone who, I don't know, maybe has forgotten, Tuesday 5th here was the US presidential election. And look at the price action afterwards. For anyone who was trying to convince you that the elections did not matter, look at how price behaved. Okay. Oh yeah, word. Thanks for that, Seth. Forgot to bring the music a little bit down. So, yeah, just ridiculous price action after the election in the US. You can appreciate volume coming down a little bit here on Coinbase. You do want to see volume picking up, you know. You also saw sort of like the same thing here when you reach this top on March. So, I don't know. I wish to see another spike in volume soon. And maybe we get to see 100K on the weekend, chat. I wonder what the altcoins will do on a weekend with the New York Stock Exchange closed. Maybe they'll have less selling pressure and they could have those bull market weekend rallies, right? But here BTC just floating almost at 100K, 82 on the RSI, still overbought locally. And look at this, chat, starting to pick up. Strong positive momentum once again on the MACD histogram here on the daily time frame. So yeah, just less than $800 away from hitting this major level for the history of BTC. Let's hope that we get to see. Let's hope that we get to see it today live on stream. So BTC up 0.7% today. Daily close will be confirming in an hour and 48 minutes. Overbought locally on the RSI, but on the bullish control zone. Positive momentum coming in. Let's go see BTC against the SPX. So BTC against the SPX also elevated. It's 5%, almost 6% above its all-time high, which was set on April 2021 here. And remember that we did this exercise yesterday. The first pullback after the all-time high break on BTC SPX did not come after a 91% rally on 2017, after a 50% rally on 2021, and we're expecting at least a 25% rally this time around. So it would imply even higher prices for BTC against the SPX. Also, you're printing weaker negative, weaker positive momentum for now on the MACD here. Just elevated RSI. Just insane. We'll get the 3-day close today, actually, chat. Let's go see a 3-day. So, BTC SPX getting ready for the highest 3-day close in history. Also on BTC, printing strong positive momentum in the MACD histogram. Levels on the RSI that you have not seen since March 13 on the 3-day time frame. From March 13 to March 10. So you're pushing for multi-months highs on the 3-day on the RSI, man. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Bullish accumulation setup is still playing out and already exceeding the target. And this is what we talked about, chat. We literally said you have this accumulation pattern. There's 3 rising valleys here. And now this positive momentum coming in. We expected massive positive momentum coming in after this accumulation, you know, of positive momentum. With this breakout line, you got the confirmation, then a throwback, and now the subsequent price action. Just beautiful performance out of 3 rising valleys on the histogram of the MACD on this significant time frame, which is the 3-day. Let's go see USD dominance on the 3-day time frame. So you're apparently breaking down here from this long-term support, if you could call it that way here. This trend line comes all the way back from, bro, it was tested the first time, I think, 2017. Yeah, from December 2017, so almost at the top of the 2017 cycle. This was the top on BTC, although altcoins stopped on January 2018. This was the first time that you manufactured this trend line that was regarded as support a bunch of times, and now you're officially breaking down with high selling volume, chat, on the 3-day, picking up that negative momentum on the 3-day too. Remember, this does not hit target regarding this distribution. This 3 falling peaks classic distribution pattern already confirmed, playing out. Still ways to go for that that target here. I'm gonna leave it. This will be massive negative momentum, almost actually all-time highs of negative momentum on the 3-day for USD dominance, which is basically implying a lot of selling pressure for USDT and a lot of buying pressure for risk assets on the crypto market. So we'll leave that measure move like that so we can know when it's actually hit. You're also becoming a little bit oversold locally here on the 3-day, just the 29 points on the RSI, bearish control zone, and lowest RSI reading since March 28. Still some work to be done here, in my opinion, for USD dominance and before a strong reversal. I think this is going way lower. Probably led by BTC, you know. I think that BTC might continue to lead, but I guess we'll see, because we're seeing today Ethereum's down 1.4%. Solana's barely green now. Was red at some point, now barely green. Bitcoin dominance. Let's see the 3-day and also the daily. So the 3-day looks like a small doji candle for now. It's up. It's barely green on the 3-day. Not much to say. I wish it was red, you know, and we could start to actually develop some negative. So I mean some bearish divergences. But for now, yeah, I would say the 3-day is somewhat neutral. You're still above the bullish control zone on the RSI on 61. So anything could happen here in the 3-day. But the daily, let's see a daily, chat. So this is what we were talking about last night. You do have some kind of triple bearish divergence potentially being confirmed today. This is the MACD histogram. So this is a higher high regarding this high, and this is also a higher high regarding this previous high from November 15. So potentially you could be confirming this triple bearish divergence today. This is interesting. It's always going to be hard calling a Bitcoin dominance reversal, especially when on the monthly you're above 60 points on the RSI, and especially after a 2-year plus uptrend. So I want to see this divergence mature more. I want to see tomorrow another negative momentum bar, you know, and possibly start to catch some fall through. Then we can get excited about a real pullback on Bitcoin dominance. This doesn't imply, you know, immediate altcoin season, but it could give some room for altcoins to have their move, and actually some kind of strong volume picking up here on Bitcoin dominance, as you can see here, chat. Yeah, like as equal highs volumes as at around March of this year. Interesting. RSI neutral and printing strong negative momentum once again for the daily time frame. Let's see the 3-day and the Bollinger Bands, because we were saying last night the 3-day on the Bollinger Bands have not touched the lower bands since January 14 of this year, since this candle here. So it's been like 10 to 11 months without touching the lower end of the bands. And also, that's more discernible on the daily. And also, chat, since May 29, you have not seen a lower low on Bitcoin dominance on the daily. Every pullback has been a higher low, every one of them. It's crazy. This was actually a lower low regarding this previous one, almost like an equal low, but then this was a higher low, another higher low, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, yeah, all of them. So I wonder, it maybe could be time to get another lower low and start consolidating here above here, start distributing in before a major reversal for Bitcoin dominance. High volume also could give you that confluence regarding potentially this reversal zone acting as resistance for now. Okay, let's go see Ethereum. It's down 1.4%, but that's nothing. Could be a consolidation before continuing higher. You had a massive 9.3% candle yesterday with a bullish engulfing. You've been holding 3K as support, and now you're in the middle of two zones that are basically up and down. Like you don't I don't know, create value in between these two areas. You just transit through them, you know, in between 3,500 and 3K. You just usually don't spend that much time in between them. So I'm expecting 3,500 to 3,582 bucks to be tested soon from buyers. Printing strong positive momentum on the MACD once again, and also on the buyer's control zone on the RSI. On the daily, let's go see the 3-day. So the 3-day is working on a bullish engulfing and the highest 3-day close since July 20 of this year, printing stronger positive momentum than the previous bar on the MACD histogram and at the 64 points on the RSI. So starting to consolidate above the buyer's control zone here, and the highest reading on the RSI since April 6, 2024, chat, for Ethereum on the 3-day time frame. And all of this accumulation, higher low structure, just finally playing out and starting to impulse into higher prices. All right. BTC still not doing the thing. Actually at 99K right now. Small rejection a couple of days ago. But yeah, Ethereum looks great, man. I think it has a lot of catching up to do. And I truly think that it will. And when BTC crosses 4K, then there is no way in hell that your altcoins won't go crazy. Like that's when basically all of your altcoins outperform BTC and the rest of the market. Solana on a nothing burger candle after breaking all-time highs a few hours ago, sitting at $255. No kind of bearish divergence in sight for now, just bullish confluence. High levels on the RSI 76, and strong positive momentum also coming in on the MACD histogram. The 3-day, bro, on Solana you're going for 6 green candles in a row on the 3-day time frame. 77 on the RSI, highest reading on the RSI since March of this year. Printing stronger and stronger positive momentum. Highest positive momentum since September 2021. This was your run into all-time. I mean, this was the all-time high of November, but this was just basically the parabolic run, and this was the all-time high push from late 2021 on Solana. Just this was the run-up, and this was the all-time high push. So highest positive momentum on Sol since that period of time. Just insane strength. Bollinger Bands, yeah, just showing you that strength with consecutive candle closes outside of the bands. Now you're going for your 6th candle close outside of the upper bands, man. Just relentless strength. And I don't usually get worried until you get some kind of red bar inside of the, or red candle back inside of the bands. That could imply some kind of consolidation. Like look at this, you know. When you close back inside of the bands, you had a consolidation here. Same thing could be applied here. Close inside of the bands, some kind of consolidation, then another run up, then close inside of the bands, some sort of consolidation, then another run into cycle highs for Solana against USD. So incredible performance for the Solana token since the elections too. Just it was below 170 before Trump got elected. So really reflexive performance to the upside. Let's go see what others against BTC is doing today. Oh wow, chat, is this for real? It's up 2.5%. Apparently this low is gonna hold, chat, and this whole fractal that you've heard me waffling for quite some time now could be starting just now to play out, chat. Altcoins outperforming BTC today, up 2.4%, potentially confirming a lower low here, a confirmation low on this massive bullish bad harmonic, falling briefly down below a key inflection zone, but briefly getting back above it, just like you did here on Sui on this massive cipher harmonic. You fell briefly below the inflection zone, a quick recovery, and then the run into harmonic highs began, and also all-time highs on Sui. So it's nice to see all of this volume come in when you have this structure. Just somewhat gives me confidence and, you know, and confluence too to this whole setup. So until you lose that level down here, I'm trading it as it is going to play out, right? Let's go see a 3-day here. So 3-day closing on a nothing burger candle, you know, a lot of absorption to the downside. I mean, a lot of absorption from buyers on others BTC on this 3-day, but there's no particular setup or anything that I could give you here. You had a bullish engulfing, then you had an invalidation of that bullish engulfing, and now you have just been going sideways. But look at this, chat. You are losing that negative momentum in the MACD histogram. No kind of divergence on the MACD histogram. Let's see the RSI. So you do have a bullish divergence on the RSI here. Right there, chat. And it comes all the way back from here. Oh my God. So you have confluence with a double bullish divergence here on the 3-day for others BTC. About to flip neutral or positive on the momentum here on the 3-day. Positive momentum you have not seen since October 21st on this potential altcoin outperformance to BTC, man. This might be, truth be told, if this actually plays out and you start to bounce from here, this could be the bad signal for altcoin season, chat. We could be as near as that. Just really relies on this pattern actually holding the lows here. So nice. Others against BTC up 2.4%, going for the highest daily close since November 19. I'm picking up positive momentum once again on the MACD histogram. Neutral on the RSI for now. ICP up 14% today against BTC. I was wondering, like, what are those altcoins that are performing BTC today? Because mine definitely are not. It's because mostly I'm on microcaps and memes, right? Let's go see ETH BTC today is down 1.8%, not catching immediate follow through to yesterday's bullish engulfing, but that's fine. Losing that negative momentum in the MACD histogram. Let's see the 3-day here. So the 3-day was actually green last night. This was a bullish pin bar, and this will be closing an hour and 29 minutes. And apparently this could be closing red now, chat, printing stronger negative momentum in the MACD histogram. It's crazy to think that others against BTC looks better than ETH BTC, but in the world that I live in, you need collaboration from Ethereum in order to get a good performance on others. That's what I think. I don't see a last long in others rally against BTC without ETH BTC bottoming, or at least starting to develop a bottoming structure, which you cannot see yet. You definitely cannot see it yet here, chat. It's just in the middle of an impulse lower. It's downtrending. No way to manage your risk. Man, would be nice to get a green close today, so you could be closing back inside of the bands. Tell you that much. So yeah, ETH BTC is still in the gutter, trying to make things happen. You know, you do have a bullish divergence here on the RSI. But man, we're going to need more developments. We need that consecutive higher highs and higher lows for that trend reversal on ETH BTC. But actually, others against BTC look better than ETH BTC. Hopefully, others BTC is giving the signal to ETH BTC. Although I think it should be the other way around. I hope that it happens that way. XRP, it's up 17% today against BTC. So total market cap is up 4% today, chat. So you do have some great coins apparently running today. It's just memes that have been lagging hardly the past few days. Some of them are on double-digit losses today. It's pretty insane. Also, this is a total 2. Not even. I think it's total 3. So this is total. Total is up 1.3%, and total 3 is up 4.1%. So that's the thing, man. Total 3 actually passing this inflection zone, this complacency shoulder, blasting through today, going for the highest daily close since January 3rd of 2022. Even APX is taking a hit today. Yeah, I reckon it is, man. It's just that the small caps have not been feeling it lately. I think it's across the board. You might have some pockets of outperformance, but it's mostly large caps, that are somewhat stealing the show today. And Dino coins. But great to see, man. Total just in the middle of an expansion into all-time highs. All-time highs today, and looking at the highest daily close in history. Could be confirmed in an hour and 25 minutes. Dearly friend Sev. Sol BTC is down 0.8%. Some SEC person tweeted, "Make crypto great again." I thought that was someone who wanted to be in the SEC. I agree with you on the catalyst for US coins, potentially running on that speculation on making them tax free. But that's also what you saw in 2020. Like I saw Dino coins run first in before DeFi. DeFi actually took a couple of weeks later to start running. So I reckon you could think that memes this cycle are like DeFi. Yeah, bro, it's crazy to see that bottoming structure in ours against BTC being confluent with Gary Gensler, being out of office by January 20. And since you know how crypto works, they like to front run things. They're not gonna wait until January 20 for altcoins to pop off. So that's could be what the charts are telling us, Sol BTC is fine, just going sideways after bullish engulfing, chilling. The 3-day, it's actually green, which is nice. Going up for the highest 3-day close is November 8. Printing strong positive momentum in the MACD once again, and neutral on the RSI. You already know my whole thesis on the weekly time frame MACD histogram that inverts head and shoulders. So you can actually somewhat see it here. I reckon this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is now the right shoulder, although it's different on the MACD histogram. But you can see that those two higher lows regarding this previous low are implying massive outperformance from Solana to BTC coming soon. Sol ETH, whoops. It's actually green today, it's up 0.8%. Going for a bullish engulfing and potentially your second highest daily close in history. Just relentless, man. And it's what we were saying a few months ago. Like, you don't want to see something change regarding the risk on index. Like you could not, maybe you don't care, you don't like about Solana, that's fine, but you want to see it do well. So nothing changes, and that's what happened, Ultimately, price resolution was to the upside, and Solana also did the same. So I want to see Solana do good, although I do think that Ethereum is due to some massive repricing in the next few months. I don't know how long it'll take, but at some point it'll happen, my opinion. BTC dominance down 0.8% today. It's nice. Hopefully it doesn't go for the highest low of this uptrend, you know, and hold the lows here tomorrow and just continues higher. Because as I said, you have not done a lower low on Sol BTC on the daily since May 29, chat. For 177 days. That's crazy. It's crazy that you have held every low for 177 days on Bitcoin dominance. I think that it should come to an end ASAP for the sake of my backs. Not hating on BTC maxes. We just want to win too. Someone's saying. Look at that. Avalanche is up 15% today. Cosmos is up 13, almost 14% today. What is this, chat? Sui is down 4% today after a massive run up into all-time highs. Rollcoin not moving. Doge is up 8% today, chat. This is interesting. We're saying about Dogecoin just basically lagging BTC, and apparently that's what it's doing. They do look similar, and if Doge is starting, you know, to pump, well, I do know that what's next. It's gonna be Pepe, man. Pepe's gonna follow the steps of Doge. It's just a few days behind, if you ask me. Floki down 5%. I don't know who the Floki community members are, but either way. Shiv, the same thing. Up 2.5% today, though. Andy being sold off today, just like every on-chain coin today, just taking a beating. But that's alright. It'll be the time for small caps to fly and do their thing. Yeah. Man, even NFT coins are popping off today. It's wild. It's just wild. CRB up 13% today, chat. Oh my god. Recovering from this almost liquidation event from the founder or whatever, the CEO, whatever of this coin, who had a collateralized loan backed by CRB. And there was a lot of FUD. I think it was around here. I think it was in June. Correct me if I'm wrong, Sev. ADA's up 24% today. Oh my god, chat. Look at the performance of this bullish cipher with a type 3 return, type 2 return, then type 3 return with an accumulation pattern of 3 rising valleys, also with being confluent with the structure. Just off it goes. I'm passing this resistance here from history. Oh my god. This is why others against BTC is pumping today. Maybe we needed this, chat. EOS, a joke of a coin, is up 11% today. Internet computer is up 15% today. XRP up almost 20% today, chat. Oh my god, $1.48. Is this XRP going into all-time highs? Is the XRP exceeding $3, man? Oh my god, it's almost at cycle highs of 2021. Quite the catch-up on XRP. And truth be told, man, I think that at some point Ethereum will do something like this, leaving everyone sideline it. XLM, it's up 30% today, being XRP beta. So this is why others against BTC is pumping. Yeah, right. That was the CRB FUD from earlier this year. So this is the prime example on what's going on with memes, you know, with on-chain memes. SPX 6900 down 5%. MOG not doing a thing, you know, and almost entirely retracing this impulse into all-time highs, chat. You had all-time highs on MOG today. Ticker Bitcoin not doing a thing, you know, although you did have a good bullish engulfing yesterday, you pumped 24%, but just pretty much that, you know. new coins are not performing that well either. For example, Renzo, a coin that was launched a few months ago, it's been down only still. ENA trying to kind of make a recovery, just relying on Ethereum now to do the thing. Dimension is up 4.5%. Locally, it looks kind of good, man. You've been ranging for like 5 months now, or yeah, 4 months. You've been going sideways, getting compressed, and now you're pressing against the 200 moving average. You failed to break from it just a couple of days ago, and now you're going for a second attempt, confirming the validity of this bullish engulfing. So you're catching follow through from yesterday's bullish engulfing candle. Interesting, man. I'm not into Dimension, but even Dime is looking good. That's what I'm trying to say. This is the meme coin carnage I was talking about. Look at that, chat. Some of them are down even double digits, man. Mumus is an example. It's up 6% today, but you have large caps, even as a Bonk, down 8% today, going for a bearish engulfing. There's a freshly launched coins on Binance down 12%. Mureng down 10%, going for a bearish engulfing candle. Ponky down 8%, you know, Popcat down 5%, Retardio down 6%, WEF down 2.7%, Billy down 9%. So yeah, this is what we were just talking about, Seth, regarding on-chain memes, man. Just not getting the love like those other coins are getting today, like those Dino coins, you know. So it's like old school season apparently for the crypto markets now. You do have some pockets of outperformance here in Solana utility. For example, Jito is up 8.5%, going for the highest price you've seen and highest daily close since June 5th. Camino is up 13%, 13.2%, going for the highest daily close since November 11. Radium is selling off today at 4.9%, but after a massive day yesterday, almost 10% gain yesterday. So yeah, just like a mixed bag today of altcoins, you know. Definitely those older coins getting that love, and that could be also shown here on Doge. You know, Doge could be considered somewhat of like a Dino coin too. Doge is even older than Ethereum, and so and Doge I think is a fork of Litecoin, and Litecoin is a fork of BTC. So that's where it comes from. I think it's just you know, that altcoin season right now, and meme coin destruction, testing the conviction of these holders, where it's pretty poetic, man. You have BTC almost at 100k, 98k 0.8 right now, and market participants, or just basically the invisible hand of the composite operator, decided to destroy the shiny new thing today, where you have some crazy things going on Pump Fund. I'm not gonna even mention them, but if you've been on Pump Fund, you know what kind of videos they've been streaming lately on that platform. So really, just really lows for the meme coin sector, at least the brand new memes, you know, the past weeks. Yeah, just incredible levels of saturation, you know. And I think that's the composite operator testing the conviction of the meme coin holders, you know, saying them, it's not gonna be so easy, you know. We're gonna test your conviction. We want you to see BTC rip past 100k while your alts don't do nothing. And then when it's time, when you have lost hope, when you probably left and bought something else that was ripping, then we're gonna turbo send, you know, and leave everyone behind. I think that what's happening right now with these memes. Of course, I could be wrong, but yeah. And the ones that were listed on Binance are the ones that are selling off harder right now. At least on this list, you know, the freshly launched ones on Binance. So yeah, chat, apparently we're not gonna see 100K today. I might go live during the weekend if we get to see it, so we can do a celebration stream. But yeah, remember to click on the like button, the bell, the sub before you head out. Was an honor to have you guys today, this Friday, with me. I had a blast. You know, I'm gonna do a little bit of shorter stream today since it's Friday. You know, BTC is pulling back a little bit here. Y'all stay safe. Don't go too hard on crazy meme coins or on leverage. You know, just be patient. I think that this market still has a lot to give, and the patient ones will be rewarded at the end. All right. So thanks for the interaction, Seb. I'll be seeing you guys on Monday if nothing crazy happens. Although I'll let you guys know if I go live before. So y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks.